Hi Mia, happy Friday. Again, we're going to continue with our IEP goals. So today we're going to be working on goals number 3 and number 4. This is goal number 4. Let's go ahead and read the goal that we have for you, Mia. So by the end of the 9 instructional weeks, when given a picture card of a quantity from 1 through 5, a visual, verbal, and model prompt, Mia will count the number of objects, manipulatives, counters, counting cubes to demonstrate one-to-one correspondence and choose a correct number response card with 70% accuracy. Let's go ahead and find our assignment. Now, let's go ahead and read the instructions. This is the assignment that you're going to be working on today, Mia. So I'll give you a few seconds so you can go ahead and find it. Let's go ahead and read the directions. Count and match. Draw a line between each number to the matching set of objects. So we have the numbers 4, 2, 5, 3, and 1. Let's count the baseball, Mia. 1, 2, 3. So you're going to draw a line right here and connect it with the number 3. Now, let's count the caps. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 hats. Let's go ahead and draw a line and connect it with the number 4. We have 1 hat, 1, 2 keys, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 forks. So again, make a line to the corresponding number. Have a great weekend, Mia.